Today, we're going to show you how to clean the Detect technology sensors on your Shark PowerDetect corded stick vacuum. Shark's Detect technology intelligently senses floor type and direction through various sensors on your vacuum. We recommend cleaning the Detect sensors regularly, or when the Floor Detect display is indicating the wrong floor type. If the sensors are partially obstructed, Detect mode will not function as expected. We'll start by cleaning the Floor Detect sensors. Begin by unplugging and disassembling your vacuum. Remove the nozzle by stepping on the foot pedal and pulling up on the hand back. Grab the floor nozzle and turn it over. Locate the Floor Detect sensor. Use a cotton swab to wipe away dirt and debris from the sensor and surrounding area. After Floor Detect sensor cleaning is complete, reassemble your vacuum by placing the wand in the floor nozzle and attaching the pod to the wand. Your Shark PowerDetect corded stick vacuum is ready to be plugged in and deliver better, faster, and smarter cleaning. If you're looking for more cleaning tips or have additional questions, visit our support site. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides.